So every once in a while, guys, somebody sends me stuff in the mail. Not very often, because I'm a small channel, but I can tell you I always appreciate it when they do. And, well, let's just open up and see what we got. This is from my friend Frank. Thank you, Frank. No more drinking booze out of the ditch. Isn't that what you told me a while back? General's hot sauce. Savannah, Georgia. Wow, that's crazy. Frank, thank you for sending me something all the way from Georgia, because I know it's not cheap to send this stuff. When COVID started, I sent Tucker Gott and his girlfriend some toilet paper, and that wasn't cheap either. So yeah, I can't say thank you enough. And also to all you people who follow my channel, I really appreciate the subscriptions, the comments and the likes. It means a lot to me. I enjoy making the content, and I'm really happy that the guys that I have and gals that are subscribed enjoy my content. And yeah, thank you, all of you. Now what do we got? We got a bunch of foam. Oh, this is packaged well. Really well. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Hand grenade. The General's hot sauce. Oh, this is veteran owned. 86% peppers. Nice. This is made by veterans in the US. That's really cool. These guys should think about sponsoring Resurgence PPG. Anyone watching from the General's hot sauce, give Resurgence PPG a call and maybe hook up with them and do something together. That'd be really cool. It's a paragliding outfit that teaches paramotoring to veterans and really does it for almost nothing from what I understand. So, Shockwave. 1, 2, and they even come in these nice little bottles, which is really cool. All right, Elbow Deep. She's stuck, boys. Crown Royal. Through the mail. Oh, Lord. That's too funny. Crown Royal. Frank, really? Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it, and I really wish you all the luck with your paragliding training that you're doing with Kylo right away. That's really sweet. That's the second time, though, I've been sent sauces. The sauces that I got before were from Davey Z, and he's currently going through all of his training and to fly ultralight trike, so hang glider trikes. So that's really cool. And Davey got me a bunch of hot sauces and a toque. And Frank, thanks, man. Much appreciated. It would be remiss of me. Cheers. Dude, I don't know if you know, but I love Crown Royal. Thanks again, man. Really appreciate it, and I really do wish you all the best. And yeah, keep in touch with your training. So on that note, guys, yeah, that's the mail opened up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Much appreciated. And we'll catch you, friends, followers, and flyers, in the next video. Peace.